Hello everyone, welcome to my free online tutorial for the new SAT Math section. In this video I'm going to talk about a problem taken from the first exam in the official SAT study guide. This problem is number 13 in the first exam from the calculator section. Now this problem gives you data in the table, and as you can see each row is designated as a female or male. So the first row, female row, designates the number of female students taking Algebra 1, number of female students taking Geometry, number of female students taking Algebra 2, and the total number of females in the group of 10th grade students, the entire group, is 150. So again, 150 females in total in the entire group of 10th grade students. The same thing for the males. So 44 males take Algebra 1, 59 males take Geometry, and 57 males take Algebra 2. And there's a total of 160 males in the entire group of 10th grade students. Now, you must understand what this total means. The row total means that there are 79 students taking Algebra 1, and that includes males and females, right? This number, 35 plus 44. 112 students taking Geometry, and again that includes males and females, which is the sum of these two numbers, 53 and 59. And 119 students taking Algebra 2, which is a sum of 62 and 57, right? 62 females plus 57 males equals 119 students taking Algebra 2 of the entire class. Now, the total number of students, right? The total number of students must be 310. And this is expressed as a sum of the total females and males, right? And also, this total is a sum of the total number of students in each group. One group is Algebra 1, the second group is Geometry, the third group is Algebra. So you take these three groups together, you add them up, and you get the total number of students. So this number must match the sum of the row total and the sum of the columns as well, the column total, right? So this number must account for both sums. Now let's see what they ask in this problem. A group of 10th grade students responded to a survey that asked which math course they were currently enrolled in, right? The survey data was broken down as shown in the table above. Which of the following categories accounts for approximately 19% of all the survey respondents? So they give you 4 answer choices, and they want you to pick the one that corresponds to 19%, about 19% of all the survey respondents, right? So you have to choose an answer choice that accounts for about 19% of all of the entire group of 10th grade students. So let's check the first answer choice. Now, before we use the calculator, I would advise you to take a look at how you can do certain things without the calculator. So, for example, females taking Geometry. Female taking Geometry. That's 53 right here. So 53 must be divided by the total number of students, which is 310. Now you know that 19% is about 1/5, because 19% is really close to 20%, and 20% is about 1/5. So if you take 53 out of 310 and you multiply 53 by 5, you will get 265, right? Without the calculator, you can really do this in your head. It's not hard. 265 is way below 310, so I think this is below 19%. I'm not gonna even argue that it's below. I definitely know that it's below. Actually, if you plug this into your calculator, it will be about 17%. But using your brain, you can actually avoid the calculator and tell yourself, oh, A must be false because it's not even close to 19%, right? Because 53 out of 310 is way below that. Now let's take choice B, females taking Algebra 2. So females taking algebra 2, that's 62 right here. So 62 out of 310, that seems closer to the truth, because that seems really close to 19%. However, if you multiply this by 5, right? So let's pretend this is 20%. We're going to multiply it by 5. You can do this in your head because 60 times 5 is 300. 2 times 5 is 10. So you add that up and you get 310 exactly. So guess what? It's 20%. So it's not approximately 19%. You can't round 20% to 19%. It has to be approximately 19, right? To the nearest whole of a percent. So 20%, that doesn't work either. You see, I didn't do it with my calculator, and of course I explained it to you for a very long time, but this is what this video is about, to help you understand certain ways that you can use to avoid the calculator to save time. So now choice C, males taking geometry. So geometry males, this is 59 out of 310. Now that seems to work even better because 62 was exactly 20% and 59 should be about 19% because that's just a little bit less than 62. And your last choice, males taking algebra 1, this is 44, and this is way below 53 that we warded off. Remember the 53 that we thought was way below 19%? Well, 44, guess what, is way below that. It must be probably even below 15% or something. Well, maybe 15%, right? Something like that. But in any case, this will not work at all, choice D. So choice C is definitely the one that will work. And if you plug this into your calculator, you'll see that it's about 19%. So this video is about giving you other ways to solve this problem and to actually use the calculator when you find the right choice, right? Because this is not about two answer choices being about the same. This is about one of them working and the others not working. And in this case, A, B, and D do not work, and you can use your head to do that, to figure that out, right? And then plug answer choice C, and you'll see that it's 19%. Because as we discussed, 59 is just a little bit less than 62. So 59 out of 310 will be about 19%. So what do? We divide that 59 over 310 and then multiply it by 100, and that gives us about 19%. Okay? Now, before you get off this video, I'd like to show you a website. It's called revisedsat.com. The link to this website is directly below this video. Now, it has a few interesting things on it. The first, if you use the top menu link and you see the books link on the top, you will see a few books currently available in PDF format via instant download. You can purchase them right now to your computer. Now, the first book that you see provides with 500 contrasting problems, all problems reflecting the actual problems that you will see on the new exam. The second book is dedicated to algebra only, so typical algebra problems. Many of them will be very similar to the ones that you will see on the real exam. And the third book, currently available for instant download, is dedicated to trigonometry, which is also topic based. Okay, so now please keep checking back on this page because I will be adding more books. Right now I'm working on SAT practice tests. I will have at least 5 SAT practice tests, and I will post them right here so you can download them as well. And each book is written by me. You will not find any of its contents anywhere on the internet. This is all my problems. I designed them myself. Now, if you think that you can't commit to these books right now, you can view free problems on our blog. If you click the blog link, you will see many problems provided free to the viewer. You can see lots of contrasting different topics here. Statistics, nonlinear function, word problems, geometry, linear inequality. I try to include as many problems as possible because students have particular problems usually with any one topic, so I can accommodate many different students here, right? And I will be adding more problems as we go. The blog will be bigger and bigger, so keep checking back on the blog as well, because it will be a source of free problems. Now, speaking of tutoring, if you live in New York City, I will provide tutoring in person just drop me a line, and we will start preparing you for the first issue of the exam if you're going to be taking it in March of 2016. Get in touch with me as soon as possible because you need at least 6 months of intense preparation for the math section. I will also give you advice for the English part as well, because I have a tremendously gifted tutor from Columbia University who also teaches, has an English degree, Master of Science in English, and she excels at SAT English sections. And also, when it comes to tutoring, if you need Skype tutoring online, you can contact me via the blue link right here. This is Skype link. You can call me through the call button and reach me immediately. If I'm online, I will call you. I will answer the call. And if you'd like to chat with me, if I'm not online, you can send me an instant text message to the chat button here. I will receive it and I will answer it immediately. Now you can also contact me through the contact form, which is just a few fields to fill out: name and email, message. And you can also email me directly at revisedsat@gmail.com, which is the email link here, revisedsat@gmail.com. So once again, keep checking back on this website because there's a blog page with free problems posted regularly. Skype tutoring. Now, in regards to Skype tutoring, if you purchase 10 hours of tutoring in one package, I will offer these 3 books for free, and that includes more books coming as well. So you will get whatever books I publish after these 3, including SAT practice tests. You will get them for absolutely free of charge if you sign up for 10 hours of tutoring. And also that includes a free half-hour lesson. So free half-hour session plus 10 hours of tutoring if you get a 10-hour package, and books free of charge, which includes these 3 books and more books coming. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please get back on our channel. Check back because I will be uploading more videos from the official SAT study guide. I will include more problems from the first exam. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.